Bradie from Sparrow Quilt Company. Welcome to our quilt block studio. Today I'm going to show you how to make our almost houndstooth block. You can join us as we make this quilt and many others as part of our Stash Busters series live on Facebook every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Today I am using Curiosities by Amanda Herring for Riley Blake. You can find this fabric and all the tools I'm using at sparrowquiltco.com. Now let's get started. To make this block, you are going to need a 5-inch block of print and a 5-inch block of background, a 4.5-inch block of print and a 4.5-inch block of background, plus two 2.5-inch squares of background fabric. For now, you're going to set aside your 2.5s and your 4.5s. We're going to layer the background fabric onto our print with the right sides of fabric facing each other, and we're going to draw a line on the diagonal from corner to corner. Now you're going to sew on the left-hand side of the line, and you're also going to sew on the right-hand side of the line. Once you've done that, you will have a piece that looks like this. Next, we need to cut up the center. That will give you two triangles that look like this. Now we need to press them open, and we're going to press that seam towards the darker fabric. That's going to give you two half-square triangles. At this point, you're going to want to trim these squares down to 4.5-inch square, getting rid of those little dog ears. Now we're ready to bring back our 2.5-inch squares. We're going to lay those with right sides facing on the outer corner of your print. Line up those outer edges nicely, and you're going to draw a marking line from corner to corner. Next, I want you to sew directly on that line. That's going to give you a piece that looks like this. There's your sewing line. Next, we're going to trim away this outer quarter, a 1/4 inch away from our stitching line, which will leave you with this. Now you want to press this towards the dark print again, which will leave you with a block that looks like that. And here it is pressed. Now let's put this block together. You're going to bring back your 4.5-inch square background fabric and your 4.5-inch square of print, and you're going to sew the print to your piece block, join them down the center, your background fabric to your other piece block, join them down the center, make sure those small triangles are pointing to the center, and then join this row to the bottom row. And you will have your very own almost houndstooth block. Thanks for watching.